Suggestions as to the Sunday school teacher's library. The question has often been asked as to what are the best books for a Sunday school teacher's library. One hesitates to reply to such a request, for tastes differ with each individual. One thing is certain, the Bible should never be superseded in the teacher's library. While books are necessary and very helpful, they should never be allowed to become a substitute for personal reading and study of the Bible. Bacon is credited with saying, "Reading makes a full man, writing a correct man, and speaking a ready man." The risen head of the church has given gifts to the members of his body, in order that the whole body may be edified. We can well thank God for the able teachers whose oral and written ministry have so greatly helped to a better understanding of the word of truth. In many cases their lips are now silent, but their books are with us to be read and reread. The teacher's library should not be a mere collection of books, but a selection of those books best calculated to help him in his work. Better to have 50 well-read books than 500 neglected volumes in the library. The list appended is merely suggestive, and doubtless will be added to by the teacher as his capacity and means increases. 1. An American Revised Version of the Bible. 2. A good concordance. Crudens for English words, Strong's for meaning of Hebrew and Greek words. 3. A Bible Dictionary. Davis's for preference. Not the latest edition, for this is tinged with modernism. 4. An English Dictionary. Funk and Wagnalls. The desk standard is quite good. 5. A Bible Atlas. Hurlbut's is perhaps the best. 6. A Bible Text Encyclopedia. Inglis. This groups texts into subjects and is very helpful. 7. A commentary. Jameson, Fawcett and Brown is quite good. 8. Bunyan's Pilgrim's Progress and the Holy War. 9. C. H. M's Notes on the Pentateuch. 6 volumes. Also his Miscellaneous Writings. 6 volumes. Valuable for typical teaching. 10. The Tabernacle. Soltau. 11. The Land and the Book. Thompson. Rather out of date, but good for word pictures of Palestine, its geography, people and customs. 12. Church History. Andrew Miller's or Broadbent's The Pilgrim Church. The 3 volumes are excellent. Every teacher should possess them. 13. The Bible Handbook by Angus or Halley's Pocket Bible Handbook. 14. Bible Doctrine. Major Bible Themes. L.S. Schaeffer is good for a start. 15. Life and Teachings of Jesus, the Messiah. Edersheim. 2 volumes. 16. Life and Epistles of Paul. Coney Barenhausen. 17. An Introduction to Child Study. C. Benson. 18. What to Teach and How to Reach the Young by G. O. Goodman. Invaluable for workers among the young. Also his 70 Best Bible Stories, Other 70 Bible Stories. In fact, all his books. 19. Modern Heresies by Irvine. A good summary of modern cultism and how to deal with it from the Word of God. 20. Christian Evidences, or Scientific Facts in the Light of the Bible. The teacher of high school and college students needs something of this kind to offset the teaching they receive in these institutions. There are many excellent books on this subject. J. Burkhart's New Biblical Guide, 6 volumes. A. T. Pearson's Many Infallible Proofs, 1 volume. God and the Cosmos, by Theo Gray Bunner. 21. Biblical Introduction. H. S. Miller. 22. The Preacher and His Preaching. Alfred P. Gibbs. The teacher would do well to add the following homemade books. First, a loose-leaf book for illustrations. Index it by subjects, and paste or write in it any illustration or incident likely to be useful. The newspaper is a prolific source of supply in this direction, as also is history and biography, etc. Second, a thought book. This should also be a loose leaf, in which to place any thoughts received during your private devotional reading of the Scriptures, or from listening to some address, or the reading of some book. Thoughts, like canaries, need to be caged, else they fly away, never to return. Many of the books in this list can be purchased second-hand, and the rest obtained from any reputable dealer in Christian literature. The Faithful Words Publishing Company will be glad to supply your needs in this direction.